Hey, bro, quick question. You know how you got like spray paint or something like that? That's vandalism, right?
Yeah.
But if I had like a sticker, would that be vandalism?
No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat to come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last. No, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat to come up and they pray that I don't crash now. I pray that I last. Now, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out.
Alright, y'all, so as you see on the thumbnail, the title, we're gonna be putting 200 stickers in the most obnoxious places. But we're gonna be putting stickers in random places, bro. Just the art stuff, bro. I'm really a suburban kid in the street boy body. No, I'm a street boy in a suburban boy body, but I'm really like, we're seriously though. I'm on my Miles Morales type thing, you feel what I'm saying? So it's the first joint up, the first one up. I don't know if they clean them. I don't know if they clean the whatchamacallit. So, if y'all see my thing up, take a picture of it and tag me in the comments. I'm gonna do a giveaway when we hit 1K subs. I don't know if I want to do it at 1K or 500. I may do it at 500. I may do it at 500. So just keep that in mind. I may do a giveaway at 500 subs. I know for a fact I'm doing one at 1K, but 500 subs, I'm definitely doing a giveaway. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. There's a lot more artsy, more artsy things that I do besides this. As y'all can see, look at my other videos. I started painting and stuff. But for now, like, I'm really trying to like, I just want to see like how many people will like. I'm not even gonna say how many people will follow me, but how much interaction I would get off of this. Or if not, I just think it's cool as crap, bro. Like when Miles Morales was doing that, I was like, that's the coolest thing ever. And so I was like, I gotta do that. I gotta do that. I'm like the DMV. Black version, I said the black version of Miles Morales. I'm like the DMV version of Miles Morales right now, you feel what I'm saying? The only thing I got, if I started spray painting, bro, which I'm not trying to do because I'm not trying to get locked up, but if I started spray painting, I'm not even gonna say that because there's some places that you can actually legally spray paint in Maryland. Spray painting is just a lot of work, it's a lot of practice, so I don't know, we may start doing it. This a whole roll. I'm not doing this vlog like this vlog is not gonna be finished anytime soon. This is literally gonna be over like a span of like, next time y'all see me in this turn, I might have like literally like just like a gray hair and a beard, but like I'm literally just gonna keep on vlogging until this thing is done type thing. Like it's gonna be so funny, bro. It's gonna be so funny. You're just gonna see the progression over the years. I'm literally just gonna put it in any place like I can, like any place, like the most crazy as possible. So I'm just gonna record it every single time I do it, bro. So like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. Like we're gonna see how this journey goes. I think it's gonna be funny, so we just gonna see. I feel like I had glued to this joint or something like that. That joint's tough. I'm trying to put them in like the most random spots ever, bro. Just being in the metro station is like, bro, that's probably the only good thing about taking the train. Until I get my car back, that's the only good thing about taking the train. We gonna make use of this train. I have exactly 2 more, and I'm trying to figure out where I want to put these joints. I got exactly 2 more. I got boom, boom. I can make some more, but I just don't got my markers with me. I don't know why I didn't take my markers with me. I can't jump too high. Got my doggone Balenciagos on, and I got a freaking blue bag on. I can't jump too high, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to put these to.
Step back to allow customers to exit.
I had the greatest idea in the history of ideas, like ever creative of ideas. This is probably like, it comes around every blue moon where I have just an undeniably good idea, and the moon is blue right now. So when I hit 500 subs, I don't know, when I hit 1K subs, when I hit either 1K subs on YouTube or 6K on the gram, right? I'm gonna say, yeah, 1K subs on YouTube or 6K on the gram. I'm gonna say, we're gonna do a scavenger hunt. And the first, because that's when we're gonna do one of our first big giveaways. And I'm gonna say, the first person to find one of my sticky notes and take a picture of it and send it back to me, they gonna win a jacket. I think I'm gonna give away the Hunter X Hunter jacket. So, be on the lookout. Now, don't look for it now and then take a picture of it and say, I found it. You gotta find it when the release dates of finding them joints come out. But if you want to tag, like, if you want to like take a picture and tag me in like the post that I got now, y'all could do that too. That'd be cool. That's the craziest part. But I take the red line the green line, sometimes the yellow line, and I'm always on the orange or silver line. So that's a hint right there. Well, this is, bro, every single time I pop up when this security guard keep on pulling up, I'm trying to jump and hit one of the signs, bro. God dang, bro. She's killing me right now. All right, I might just ask him and say, if I put a sticker up somewhere, would that be vandalism? He seemed like he chilled too. I'm not gonna lie. He seemed like he made me chill. So let me just ask him. Hey, bro, quick question. You know how you got like spray paint or something like that? That's vandalism, right?
Yeah,
But if I had like a sticker, would that be vandalism?
that's a tough one to
That's not
answer.
vandalism, right?
Like it's still vandalism if you, as far as like messing with the property if it's private, but if it's
Right.
like public space, I don't know.
Is this public space?
No, this is inside the metro is, but over here this is Union Station, which is already contracted by. I don't know the person's name, but it's under his property.
Gotcha. All right, cool beans. I was just curious. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm about to ruin this guy's whole entire night. It's like, no, let me chill. Nah, because before then, I could have claimed ignorance. But now that I know, I can't claim ignorance anymore. So I can't do it. I can't do it no more. I can't do it. Oh my gosh, I want to do it so bad. I'm about to die, bro. God dang, it's just killing me. Imagine being an artist with a good. Nope, I got to. I'm sorry. The temptation's too much. I'm sorry. Bro, the temptation was too much. It was too real. You thought I was going to pass up on an opportunity like that? It was a ledge. It literally just said, like, bro. Imagine, right? You trying to like stay off of drugs, right? And then somebody comes with you with like no, not even drugs. We're not even gonna go crazy like that. Imagine you trying to stop drinking, right? And then somebody comes to you with a pack of freaking, like, I don't know, like, what's the best liquor? I don't know what the best liquor is. But someone come to you with some good liquor, right? Are you going to deny that, bro? I'm just saying, it wasn't my fault. It was the lead shouldn't have been there, in my opinion, to be honest. I'm really just an innocent bystander, to be honest.
Cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last, no, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat the come up and they pray that I don't crash now.